In this video, I'm going to show you how to block people from seeing your Snapchat story and also how to unblock them. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat, hit there on your profile icon, and on that page hit this gear. Now there, scroll all the way down until you find View My Story and get into it. At that screen you can select who can view your story, you can set it to everyone, to your friends, or you can select custom and there block people from seeing your stories. You can select specific persons like that, just check mark that person and then hit block. So now I blocked 3 persons from seeing my stories, and to unblock that persons I need to do the following. I need to go on customs. There currently selected, currently blocked persons are on the very top, so it's easily to find them, and I can unmark that persons to unblock them and hit block to confirm. So now just 2 persons are still blocked from seeing my stories. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.